Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at three oil and gas stocks that we'll be going over tonight at Stock Market Mentor during our strategy session. Now, I'll just give you a quick overview. If you want to see what we're really doing with the stocks, be sure and take a trial over at StockMarketMentor.com. Okay, so as you know, oil and gas has been remaining quite high, and a lot of these stocks are in pretty strong uptrends above all their major moving averages. Now, three stocks that I think are worth keeping an eye on are, number one, Callon Petroleum. This is ticker CPE. CPE has a little bit of a high handle here. You can see this rounded bottom with support around that 21-day exponential period moving average, and now we're just kind of consolidating near some recent highs. So I think that this could potentially be actionable with a move through 65.50 coming on higher than average volume. As you can see, the stock has been finding support around the 8-day exponential period moving average and the 21-day. In fact, hasn't even closed under this 8-day exponential period moving average in about a week and a half or so. So that is definitely a level of support that I think matters here on this chart. Another one is Devon Energy. This is ticker DVN. DVN, a little bit of a flag here. What catches my eye on this chart is the nice pickup in volume, and you can see how it's definitely finding support right around that 21-day exponential period moving average. I can draw a little bit of a trend line here, and you can see it's just flagging a bit here on the daily chart. So for this to be actionable, I'd want to see a move through that downward sloping trend line coming on higher than average volume. Another oil and gas stock that I think could be worth watching is Magnolia Oil and Gas. This is ticker MGY. Now, MGY is in a little bit of a channel here, but you can see again, like the others, it's trying to firm up right around these key moving averages. So we have a downward sloping trend line from that high here, and a little bit of a tightening price action, potentially a little bit of a wedge. So what I want to see from MGY is a break of this pattern, potentially a move through and a close above that $21 level. Maybe have an alert right around 20.90 just to take a look at it. You'll want to see a strong close and a move above coming on higher than average volume. So those are three stocks we'll be talking about tonight in our strategy session. I'm covering about 27 different tickers. So if you miss one strategy session, you're missing a lot. Be sure and check us out at StockMarketMentor.com. My name's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter. We'll see you next time.